Up next, I would request Mr. Shushant Sarangi to come up to the dais and present a final vote of thanks, after which we would move on to the cultural event that we have scheduled for tonight. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, we are back on live. Very good evening. This is the most thankless job. But we have to go on as per the rituals. Before I offer my formal vote of thanks. One photograph needs to be taken as per the demand of the dear students. So let it complete, so then I will start. So before I offer my vote of thanks, I will have two bullet announcements. This is basically an appeal, not an announcement. Let this annual function, this be an annual celebration, provided the current boarders and the university authorities extend this facility to the alumni. This was the centenary celebration. Every year the boarders celebrate their annual functions in the hostel. With their permission, we do not want to deny them the pleasure, but if they can invite some of the alumni members, I think we shall all be more than be pleased to join their function. This is one appeal. Second thing is, let's create an corpus funds by keeping the membership drive as a continuous process. It's not that today the function is over, so that everything is stopped. Let those members those alumni who are yet to take membership, this membership drive should continue. So that we built up a corpus fund, and whenever we have a sufficient money, sufficient funds available, we can do 2-3 things. These staffs of our hostel, even in our time, even today also, what I gather is they are paid a very pitiable amount. Today we saw Sambunana over here, how he was struggling to meet his lives. So if we can give them some financial assistance, or maybe some of them is maybe suffering in some diseases and all, if we can give them a good treatment, that will be better for us, better for his family, and similarly, suppose some boarder is also having some difficulty, we can also extend him that facility. There is a need. Let us say on the list of alumni, let us say there are 5 or 10 prominent advocates. Any member of the alumni, if he is facing any problem, let that person contact those alumni who are the advocates. There are many doctors over here, illustrious doctors. Suppose we are having some problem. It is now difficult, even though you have got the money, it is difficult to get an appointment to a doctor. Let the doctors amongst our alumni come forward, and if there is a database, of course we are going to release the database of the entire registration. It will be uploaded in our website. Let the doctors we don't want to give them an express statement, but at least let them extend their help. Similarly, some chartered accountant. If somebody is in some financial difficulty, let the person, those list of chartered accountants be there, let them help them out in their financial planning and all, tax planning and all. By this way, our community will grow, community will help each other. We will decide these things, discuss these things in our further alumni meetings, and we will finalize how we can do it. Now, I will be starting my formal vote of thanks. First and foremost, vote of thanks goes to Honorable VC Sir. It is his vision, that is why we are all here in this august room. If he was not there, then our dream would not have been successful. Apart from the Honorable VC Sir, his entire team of faculty like Chief Warden and other alumni senior professors, they have helped us a lot. We are really grateful to them. Thank you, sir. I am thankful to the Honorable Gokul Patnaik sir and Soumyaranjan Patnaik sir for agreeing to be the chief guest and the keynote speaker of the evening. Really privileged, sir. Then all the alumni members, whether senior, whether junior, whether my friends, with your wholehearted support and criticism, we have come to this point. Let the support, let the criticism come on, but in a civilized way. This is my only sincere request. Next on the agenda is the core committee members. We had a core committee to oversee our preparations. Honorable Gokulpati sir was there, Suresh Pandya sir was there, Chand sir is there, our Prasanna Das sir is there, then Pradeep Janna sir is there, our Chandrasekhar Das sir is there. So they have, if I am missing out some of the names, JK Bhai is there, Prafulla Misra Bhai is there, Prabhat Mahanti Bhai has left probably. So if I am missing out some of the names, kindly excuse me, but we really owe you a great because of your support, your guidance. Then my fellow governing body members, Manas Bhai has been an elder brother to me. He will always remain an elder brother to me, and now he is my president. So I am just carrying out his orders. He has always been very supportive to me, very kind to me. I hope this bonding will continue. Then Kamini Bhai, my vice president, he must be somewhere. He and I must fail in my duty if I disclose one thing. Yesterday whole night he was awake. Yesterday whole night he was making the last minute preparation along with my orders. Then comes to the Joint Secretary Deepak Misra, who has made this sumptuous meal which we had in the morning, and I hope it will be equally good in the evening also. He is the person who has coordinated this, and of course, why do I forget the Dahi Vada Aludam part? The entire fooding arrangement, everything has been done by Deepak Misra, our Joint Secretary. And Warden sir, I am reserving my comments for him in the next item. Then Ashish Giri, the Joint Treasurer, who is keeping custody of all our collection, our bank account and everything. Apart from that, he has worked tirelessly for last 1 week or so to prepare all the food coupons, prepare all the identity cards we are wearing, prepare all the ribbons, everything he has been done from the scratch. 3 cheers to him. Then let us come to the borders. Borders, they have just complimented the alumni like anything. This program has been successful because the alumni and the borders have worked complementary to each other. 3 cheers to them, 3 cheers to Sani and his team, and a special mention to Dinesh. Dinesh Maharana has very recently lost his mother, but still he has overcome and supported us like anything. Thank you, Dinesh. Now, 2 distinguished alumni. According to me, they are distinguished. I will mention their name, Swadesh Bandini and Bani Bandana. These are the 2 girls. They have joined, they are the only 2 girls who have enrolled as a member so far, but they have taken all the pain. I am really thankful to you. Now comes the role of Dr. Raut. 24/7 we were online. He is the person who was involved in each and every activity. Each and every activity. He has been though he has been a part of the university authority as warden, but still he is also the part of the governing body also. He is playing a dual role. He is the bridge between what VC sir was saying and execution. So he has been my brother to me, and I hope this bond will continue. Thank you, Warden sir, Sarad sir. Then special thanks to media, the local administration, the police, the State Bank of India, our Ravenshaw University campus branch, PSD, electricity and other utilities who have extended their support and stick to their steep deadlines. Last but not the least, my friends and batchmates who have always stood behind my all wholeheartedly, they have supported me. Sushant, you carry forward, we are always with you. Thank you, boys. Thank you, bhai. Thank you all. This was all.